Are you an accounting or bookkeeping professional who uses QuickBooks as your accounting software? Or a tax and financial planning professional who serves clients using QuickBooks? Perhaps you're a small business owner who uses QuickBooks to manage finances for your business. Imagine having a software that converts virtually any PDF into the QBO format for easy import into your QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online. How much easier would your life be? Well, quit imagining and say hello to MoneyThumb. MoneyThumb's QuickBooks converters create efficiencies for busy professionals and small business owners like you who use QuickBooks. Our converters enable you to easily bring QuickBooks financial records up to date with the PDF converter that utilizes intelligent document recognition or IDR technology, specialized for bank statements. It works with both native and scanned PDFs. MoneyThumb's QuickBooks converters get historical transaction data from your bank into QuickBooks. Most banks only provide this data in PDF format, which QuickBooks does not import. That's where our software comes in handy, to simplify your work. So instead of having to manually enter transactional data, which leads to a tremendous amount of wasted time and potential errors, simply use MoneyThumb's PDF to QBO QuickBooks converter. Getting started is easy. Once you've installed the software, our QuickBooks Converter offers an easy-to-use interface with step-by-step instructions on how to convert your files into QuickBooks QBO formats. Files can be uploaded with a simple drag-and-drop process. You can set up your conversion preferences for each account type, or click the Switch to Wizard button and let the software do the work for you. Additionally, a Payee Cleanup Settings feature enables auto-assisted transaction payee cleanup processes that eliminates manual payee cleanup in QuickBooks, saving you a lot of time. Once you hit the Convert to QBO button, your file will be saved as a QBO file on your desktop for easy import into QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online. Visit us today to start enjoying the amazing benefits of MoneyThumb QuickBooks Converter.